Hi guys, today's niche is food recipes. It's an expired domain which I found on Spamzilla. It has some history. I'm not sure what happened here in the last 3 years or so, but overall it's a good domain because it's already indexed on google.com and it got indexed automatically. This site was basically idle on my own servers. I'm not going to use Easy Blog Networks today because I already had this domain and I'll just build it out. So I was actually going through this domain's history, and this guy is basically the previous author. I'll simply use this name, and also it has some. It it's a great Pinterest profile because it has like 16K monthly views and all the pins are actually going to poor mates. That's quite nice actually. And also it has this Facebook page which I'll simply link to it from the homepage. First of all, I'll change the username to user's first name or last name to Chris Pumet. And for keywords, I'll again use keyword chef, like how to cook and asterisk wildcard. So these are a lot of keywords. And we can also do keywords like how to bake and wildcard. So I think cooking and baking, and I'll think of other subtopics later on because the site will have around 1,000 articles for sure in this niche, at least. Get all served. So I have two reports running. Meanwhile, we can test the auto posting if it works. Send test post. I'm actually using my RDP for this site. Okay, yeah, it's already here. I moved it to trash, so it works. Everything is fine, and I'll just check out the plugins once again. Okay, Jason is here, and the theme file editor. What I was going to do is basically add the images code, which is here. So what it will do is it will automatically set the featured images sent by Autoblogging as featured images, and it will download the media to the site. So it will help in getting some backlinks as well. So just copy paste it here in the end of functions.php file, update file. That's it. And for categories, I'll simply add cooking and baking. The keywords are here as well. From keyword chef, they have been clustered, and we have 581 keywords in baking category. Sheets.new. Hmm. Poor mat keywords. Baking, cooking. This is here as well. 1375 keywords. That's a lot of them. Yeah, it should be fun. How to cook after nuclear attack. Okay, yeah. Nice keyword, right? I'll simply remove that. Okay, let's get going. There are 50 keywords at a time. So while those articles are coming in, I'm actually just pushing articles because I think I know how it will look like. So it won't be that bad or, you know, something groundbreaking or maybe something different. But yeah, I'll simply do all these articles as soon as possible and publish. That's it. And I will run internal linking later on for all these articles. I'm going to convert auto linking into a SaaS. That should be great because that way people can go in and build the links themselves. So I'm figuring out how to go about it. Like, should it be a WordPress plugin or something related to it? Because most of the users for in autoblogging are actually using WordPress, but some of these guys are actually on Webflow or Shopify or Go CMS or something. People were asking how to do the keyword research part. It's quite simple, right? Just use Keyword Chef. It's a great tool. I know the owner, Ben Adler. He's a great guy. Has been in touch with me since like 3 years now, and we constantly share feedback with each other on what's working, what's not. I'll also try out his niche insights, this new feature inside Keyword Chef tomorrow, and I've already figured out what the niche will be. It will be about bunnies and like filter like this particular niche, and I'll talk in detail like what is this basically, what this feature is. Now cooking is done. Now we'll go to baking. How many keywords? 500 approx. Yeah. So I do this. I think we'll have a lot of articles coming on our site. Maybe after launching auto linking SaaS, I can actually do 100 days, 100 sites, internal linking, something like that. And I have all these sites, right? So maybe I can do that, or I can develop that right now and start a series right now. Like new site is launched in auto blogging, and then there's another channel, auto linking, which is covering all the automated internal linking part. What you can do is basically sort these keywords on the basis of length, and usually the weirdest keywords are at the extremes, in the start of the list or in the end, like very small keywords or very long. So you can simply filter them out. And also alphabetical order, if you sort them through it, I think you will be able to identify a lot of duplicate keywords too. Now, okay, we have 23 articles now. Let's just go through them. I'll simply run the regeneration featured images. Quite nice. I'll change the theme. This is okay. Nice. Yeah, so for this niche, I've actually opted for multiple AI images because food niche or pet niche, they are quite nice. This image is quite good. I'm already feeling hungry even though I'm a vegetarian. Everything looks good. About the author, okay, yeah. So here we go. About the author, who is Martha, I have no idea. But we can change that later on. Maybe Martha is her. So yeah, that's it guys. 29 articles now. I have so many pending processes. Like these should be done in about 30 minutes or so. That's it guys. This was the site for today. I think I already got the logo part is already I can pick it up from here like the old one. I can also use her image. It's not ethical, but okay, I won't. Maybe she's Martha. You never know. Alright, guys, see you tomorrow with a new site, which will be about bunnies.